Step 1. Disconnect the power supply. And repeatedly press the light button to discharge any residual electricity. Step 2. Reconnect the power supply. Within 60 seconds, press and hold the light button for 3 seconds to enter factory test mode. The screen will display the factory test mode interface. Step 3. Press the power switch to turn on the machine. Select the high-speed setting 3rd gear. Verify that the main motor speed is below 1,600 revolutions per minute to confirm proper operation. Step 4. Press the power button to turn off the device. Press and hold the indicator light button to exit factory test mode. Alternatively, disconnect the power supply to exit factory test mode.